Tayo. Saan kayo, sa Taiwan or sa ano? Korea. Taiwan. Don't call me sir. I'm probably younger than you. Okay, what do you want me to call you? Oh, you don't want to call, you don't want me to call you sir? What do you want to what do you want me to call you? So Smith. Ma'am Lisa, maraming salamat. Taga Taiwan ka, di ba? Just call me by my name. Okay. That's your name, so Smith? Because I don't know how to pronounce your name. So Smith? I don't know if it's what is your what, I don't know how to pronounce it. So Smith? Cockroach. Okay. Hello, Cockroach. Nandito na naman si Madam Damin. Madam, don't call me Madam. If you call me Madam, I will call you sir. Don't call me Madam. Cockroach.